Mwah. I'll let you go first. Oh, it does sound well. Well, good afternoon, everybody. Adventure Man is back. We're currently on the African Twin. Which is very nice indeed. So we had a bit of drama with my Honda Transalp. So we currently we had the puncture on the other night. As a result of having the puncture, it's a case of we're waiting for Honda to obviously get the parts in. So we're getting the parts in for fixing the tyre because they don't have them in stock at the moment. So as a result of that, they need to do some other. I was waiting on some parts from the accessory pack being fitted. So we're having the cigarette lighter being fitted. Well, the USB port. And then obviously I've had an upgraded screen, which is the final parts that were on back order, so that's not too bad. And then yeah, so they're going to sort that out for us. And obviously in the meantime, obviously without not having a bike, they were kind enough to let me have a courtesy bike to see me through the weekend till they've sorted everything out in my bike. So it's interesting because when I got to test ride the Transalp originally and the other bikes I took out, I didn't get a chance to ride the African with the geared version. It was the DCT model, which I really liked. It had plenty of power, it was brand new, it was like the automatic version. I enjoyed it, but I felt like I wanted the gears, so, but obviously just get out of the way of those people. So yeah, so it was a case of I didn't get a chance to ride this, but I like the geared version. The DCT was good. It's interesting that it's a completely different seating position from the Transalp. The engines feel very similar. It's got that nice sort of throaty sound to it. I like it. The heads-up display is all right. It's very clear. I feel like I'm sat more upright, like higher up, where the Transalp, it's more of a lower seating position, which is quite nice. Notice the difference with the brake pedal as well. On the rear brake pedal, it seems to be a little closer into the bike, a bit smaller than the Transalp. Some people might like that, some people might not. Hello, bikers! Adventure Man! I still have my bullet. Woo! Hey! Ooh, we like a bit of the kooks. Yeah, I don't think there's anything in it. I think the Transalp 750, perfectly power matched. Generally, it just feels heavier. You're taller up, you're sitting a little bit higher up. We had to remember when. Oh, local wildlife. Ooh, scary. Would I have one? I think I would. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, this is It's a bit of a privilege. Thank you very much, Andy. So Andy's been very kind. He's going to let me have a little bit of a test ride of a Ducati Scrambler 803. Let's see what this is like. Oh, this is a little bit different, isn't it? Oh, I tell you what, it feels really weird that I've just come off the African. Oh, it's torquey. Wow, where's the head? Wow, it's so tough. Oh. See, it sounds loud, faster than what it is. Oh, wow. It's got so much torque. It's a Bobby Scrambler. My ears are bleeding. That's a funny little bite, that. That's a cheeky little bite, that, my friend. It's a cheeky little bite. Like it a lot. After you, my friend. Yeah, hooligan. Yeah, we'll be using that. Oh, a bit of pitbull. Side, 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 side. Well, where you from? Little town called Wheaton. Leole.
I can do something you can't.
What's that? I'm not too bad.
No, it's not actually that bad. If it's your own, it's a lot lower.
Yeah, if I do that, I'm all right. Yeah, it's all right. Like it. Do you know what? It's not that heavy. I think I would be comfortable with it off-road. I think the more you ride it, you get used to the weight. And like, obviously, once you move it, the momentum's gone, isn't it? But obviously, it's a big bike to pick up, isn't it, if you deck it? I feel very comfortable on it. I think that's the nice thing. It is a comfortable bike to ride. Gaming Country Fair. Anybody for cricket? Woo. That's a nice little afternoon that we just had. Come and see us. Nice little ride on the African Twin. I really like it. Thanks for the adventures. So this is Adventure Man signing off till next time. Till the next Adventure Man. We'll see you soon. Adventure Man out.